Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove an object from a picture using my favorite design tool, Design Beast. There is a link to it below this video. So this is what we do. We log in, and then we go to Magic Object Remover. You select your image. And let's say I wanted to remove the wolf. I would just go like this. Click Proceed. And here is your new picture. Now if you want to edit it again, click here. And let's say I don't want that branch in here either. So I'll take this out. And I would hit Proceed. It'll work its magic. And here is your image without the branch and without the wolf. And then you would just download it. It's that simple. If you're looking for a software that makes this quick and easy, the link is below this video, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.